Unveiling the Sealey RE3000 air-operated coil spring compressor, a powerhouse designed for handling high-tension coil springs with a whopping 3,000 kilogram maximum load capacity. Boasting dual independent upper arms with swivel clamps and adjustable features, this tool offers unmatched adaptability to various coil spring configurations. The foot pedal operation and locking arm lever provide a hands-free compression experience, ensuring precision and safety. With versatility spanning different vehicle types and an adjustable design accommodating a diameter of 40 to 70 millimeter suspension strut clamps, the Sealey RE3000 stands tall as an efficient and robust solution for coil spring compression. Meet the Prospector III, Elvatech Limited's revolutionary handheld X-ray fluorescence analyzer, ushering in a new era of precision, speed, and detection limits. Weighing just 1.05 kilogram, it stands as the smallest and lightest XRF gun, providing unmatched portability. Boasting an IP67 rating, the Prospector III is both dustproof and waterproof, ensuring robust performance even in the harshest conditions. Its 4.3-inch touchscreen, foldable for lab stand utility, offers an intuitive platform for analyzing a diverse range of materials, including metals, alloys, precious metals, minerals, and plastics. Fitted with a rapid SDD detector and a potent X-ray tube, this analyzer excels in applications like positive material identification, alloy analysis, precious metals analysis, archaeometry, petrochemical analysis, soil analysis, plastics analysis, and automotive catalyst analysis. The HAZET 6681 sensor assembly tool is a specialized instrument crafted for the efficient assembly of VDO-ready sensors. Boasting a comfortable grip, it ensures ease of use during the installation process. Its precision-fit design guarantees the correct installation of sensors, while its durable construction ensures longevity. This tool proves invaluable for mechanics dealing with VDO-ready sensors, streamlining the assembly procedure, saving time, and enhancing installation accuracy. If you seek a tool to simplify the assembly of VDO-ready sensors, the HAZET 6681 stands out as an excellent choice. Introducing the PiBurn V4, the ultimate laser engraving sidekick for your cups, tumblers, and bottles. This patent-pending roller attachment, built with precision and high-quality materials, lets you etch stunning designs onto your favorite cylindrical objects with ease. Its clever clamp adjusts tension on the fly to keep everything secure, while stoppers prevent unwanted movement. Compatible with most laser machines, the PiBurn V4 is the key to unlocking a world of personalized and creative possibilities. So, unleash your inner engraver and let the PiBurn V4 turn ordinary objects into extraordinary keepsakes. Struggling with stubborn car hoods and trunks? Ditch the frustration with the Lisle 44880 lift support clamp. This magnetic marvel grips gas struts tight, giving you clear access for repairs and tweaks, all with hands-free. No more wrestling. Its powerful magnet snaps right on, while the aluminum build pampers your car. Plus, a bright safety flag reminds you to detach before closing. Mechanics and DIYers, rejoice! The Lizal 44880 unlocks effortless access. Grab yours today and reclaim your garage sanity. Step into the future of plastering with the FlexiTrel and Flexifit system. Interchangeable blades in stainless steel and plastic, featuring foam backing, provide flexibility and water absorption control. The Master Trowel, equipped with a unique locking mechanism, serves as a versatile handle for various blade types tailored to different plastering tasks. To use, select your blade, insert the Master Trowel, and begin plastering. Effortlessly switch blades for seamless transitions. Experience benefits such as adaptability, efficiency, reduced costs, and comfort with its ergonomic design. Crafted from top-quality materials, this system ensures durability, delivering a professional finish with smooth, consistent results. Elevate your craftsmanship with the FlexiTrel and Flexifit system. Explore the MINOVA Foam Cutting Bow KD111370. Your go-to handheld hot wire cutter for precision cutting. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, this versatile tool excels in straight cuts, slabs, and curves, making it perfect for styrofoam and insulating materials. With a cutting length of 1370 millimeters, a cutting height of 330 millimeters, and a weight of 8.6 kilograms, it's a powerhouse of efficiency. The built-in thermostat and a transformer rated at 40-volt 200 watts, 230-volt IP44 ensure optimal performance. Ideal for building, construction, packaging, sculpting, cosplay, and model making. The MINOVA Foam Cutting Bow KD11-1370 stands out as an excellent choice. Consider factors like size, wire compatibility, and temperature control when selecting a hot wire cutter. Make your cutting tasks a breeze with the reliable MINOVA Foam Cutting Bow KD11-1370. Cracking under the pressure of laying terrace boards? Relax. The BTI Floorboard Clamp Set is your new secret weapon. This clever kit lets you quickly and expertly clamp down up to 7 rows of boards at once, ensuring uniform spacing and a professional finish. Simply adjust the front piece for your desired gap, lock it in with the magnetic bolt, and crank the tension. No more struggling or uneven gaps. Plus, the set's environmentally friendly packaging and durable construction make it a guilt-free choice for your decking dreams. So, ditch the stress and embrace effortless precision with the BTI Floorboard Clamp Set. Zapping those, is this socket safe? Worries in a flash. The INGCO Socket Tester HES 3001 is your pocket-sized guardian against electrical surprises. Simply plug it in and let its bright LEDs reveal the truth. Correct wiring, earthing issues, or potential hazards. It's compact and lightweight, ready to go wherever you do, and its durable, high-quality build ensures it'll be a trusty sidekick for many projects to come. Don't let electrical gremlins lurk in the shadows. Shed light on safety with INGCO's Socket Tester. Ditch the watering can, embrace rain power. Güde's battery rain barrel pump RFP 12-2004 is your cordless hero for garden watering and beyond. This compact powerhouse pumps up to 1,500 liters per hour to a whopping 11 meters, making light work of filling watering cans, sprinkling your lawn, or even emptying pools. No power outlet, no problem. Its rechargeable 12-volt Li-ion battery lets you tackle tasks anywhere, and the handy battery rain barrel pump keeps you informed on remaining juice. Plus, the dry running protection safeguards the pump from running dry, while the hose coupling and telescopic adjustment ensure easy setup and adaptability. So, unleash the power of rainwater and take your garden green game to the next level with Güde's battery rain barrel pump. Wrangle unruly cables into submission with the iwis WCT 319. This one-handed hero tames stainless steel zip ties up to 19 millimeters with effortless precision. No more battling wires. Its smooth squeeze grip and intuitive controls make bundling a breeze. Plus, it tensions, cuts, and removes ties like magic, ensuring snug, secure knots and clean snips. From electricians to DIYers, the WCT 319 conquers cable chaos, bringing order to workshops, garages, and even your home office. Unleash the power of this all-in-one tool and ditch the tangled frustration. Get yours today. Say goodbye to serpentine struggles. The Lisle 59560 stretch belt tool for GM lets you wrestle those GM stretch belts into submission, whether it's the AC on your 2014 Plus truck or the main drive on a 2019 Plus model. This double-sided champ clamps down on up to 7 rows at once, ensuring uniform spacing and a pro finish in half the time. No more uneven gaps or aching muscles, just crank the tension, lock it in, and relax. Plus, its durable steel construction and environmentally friendly packaging make it a guilt-free win for your GM garage. So ditch the DIY drama and embrace expert ease with the Lizal 59560. Unleash your inner sculptor with the MINOVA Rotatable Air Cooling Foam Cutter. This cutting-edge tool bends to your will, its pivoting blade tackling curves and corners with ease. Craft clean, precise cuts in any foam thickness thanks to adjustable heat and powerful 200 watts performance. Stay cool and comfy with the air-cooled design and ergonomic handle, while an arsenal of blades and accessories empowers you to conquer any project. From cosplay armor to delicate model details, the MINOVA Rotatable Air Cooling Foam Cutter is your portable precision powerhouse. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.